motion.
Here comes the tantrum.
The tantrum.
Oh my God. Where is he?
Keep going into the jump.
What happened to my bird?
Which way is it supposed to go? That way or this way? The piece of crap. Which way is it supposed to go?
I don't know. You're the one who took it apart.
Take it apart? This thing's never been on the bird. It's been sitting tailless forever.
It was on the bird.
Not when you first bought it.
You guys took it apart.
I give you the bod.